Now see, out of this data, I need to find out the product number, first question. Second is I need to find out the domain for the email. So I will use the right function because the number which I need, that is on the right side. Last time in another video, I used the left function because the number were on the left side. So again, I need to find out how many numbers, product number is in the digit. So I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a 5 number. I can put 5 and press enter. So I got the product number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same way, I will use the right function. Again, I will select the cell, then comma. Now I need to count because in the last question the number was there. Now I don't know how many numbers, so I need to figure out. Let's say I put randomly 7 number, so it's not there. So I'll put, let's say 13 number. I got the more data. So let's say I put 11 and I got the right result example.com. So right function is used when you have data to extract from the right side. From any data you can get it.